Children, welcome you in bio class. Children, I am going to teach you Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is also known as tricarboxylic acid cycle or citric acid cycle. Krebs cycle was discovered by English biochemist Sir Hans A. Krebs. In first step, tricarboxylic acid is formed. This tricarboxylic acid is citric acid. Therefore, it is known as tricarboxylic acid cycle or citric acid cycle. Acetyl-CoA enter in the mitochondria. In Krebs cycle, it combines with oxaloacetic acid in presence of citrate synthetase. Then it forms citric acid. So acetyl-CoA, oxaloacetic acid and water in presence of citrate synthetase produce citric acid and CoA. Krebs cycle is completed in 9 steps. In Krebs cycle, dehydration, hydration, dehydrogenation and decarboxylation reaction occurs. All these reactions occur in mitochondria. After complete oxidation of 1 mole of molecule of pyruvic acid, 2 molecules of carbon dioxide are released. 3 molecules of NADPH plus H ion, 1 molecule of FADH2 and 1 ATP are produced. Children, Krebs cycle you see here. This is the pyruvic acid which is produced as a result of glycolysis in cytoplasm of the cell. Pyruvic acid have to enter in mitochondria. So pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl-CoA. It is converted into acetyl-CoA by decarboxylation and dehydrogenation reaction. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. Pyruvic acid combined with coenzyme A, then 1 molecule of carbon dioxide is given out, 1 molecule of NADH plus H ion is produced and acetyl-CoA is formed. Now acetyl-CoA enters in mitochondria and in the Krebs cycle. There is oxaloacetic acid. So acetyl-CoA combine with oxaloacetic acid and produce citric acid. Oxaloacetic acid is 4 carbon compound, acetyl-CoA is 2 carbon compound, 6 carbon compound citric acid is formed. Citric acid has 3 carboxylic group. Therefore, it is also known as tricarboxylic acid. Now citric acid converted into cis-aconitic acid by enzyme aconitase by dehydration. So there is dehydration reaction, molecule of water is given out in presence of aconitase enzyme. Then citric acid is converted into cis-aconitic acid. Now cis aconitic acid undergo first hydration reaction, and in presence of aconitage, cis aconitic acid now converted into isocitric acid. Now isocitric acid undergo dehydrogenation reaction. So first dehydrogenation reaction in mitochondria in Krebs cycle occurs, and isocitric acid change into oxalosuccinic acid, and one molecule of NADPH is formed. This reaction is catalyzed by isocitric dehydrogenase, and there is decarboxylation reaction also. Decarboxylation reaction is catalyzed by carboxylase enzymes. Then oxalosuccinic acid change into alpha ketoglutaric acid. So in this way, from isocitric acid, one molecule of NADH plus H ion and one molecule of carbon dioxide given out. Isocitric acid is changed into alpha ketoglutaric acid. Now alpha ketoglutaric acid undergo again second dehydrogenation and second decarboxylation reaction, as the result of which alpha ketoglutaric acid converted into succinyl CoA, and this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme alpha ketoglutaric dehydrogenase. So when it is catalyzed by alpha ketoglutaric dehydrogenase, from alpha ketoglutaric acid succinyl CoA is formed. One molecule of NADH plus H ion and one molecule of carbon dioxide. So there is second dehydrogenation and second decarboxylation reaction. Now succinyl CoA undergo third dehydrogenation reaction. Succinyl CoA in the presence of succinic thiokinase form succinic acid and GTP, and coenzyme is also given out. Now succinic acid undergo third dehydrogenation reaction and hydrogen is given out from this. Then one molecule of FADH2 is produced. Now this succinic acid is converted into fumaric acid. This reaction is catalyzed by succinic dehydrogenase enzyme. Now fumaric acid is converted into malic acid by the enzyme fumarase. Then malic acid is converted into oxaloacetic acid by enzyme malic dehydrogenase. So there is NAD malic dehydrogenase enzyme, and by this enzyme malic acid is converted into oxaloacetic acid, and here fourth dehydrogenation reaction occurs, as the result of which one more molecule of NADH plus H ion formed. So in the Krebs cycle, total number of NADH plus H ion are three molecules of NADH plus H ion, 1 molecule of FADH2, 2 molecule of carbon dioxide and 1 molecule of ATP are produced. So this is the Krebs cycle. So children, you have to learn in the Krebs cycle there are 4 dehydrogenation reaction, 2 hydration reaction and 2 decarboxylation reaction occurs. Then 3 molecule of NADPH2, NADH plus HIN, 1 molecule of FADH2, 2 molecule of carbon dioxide and 1 molecule of ATP are produced.